Danke bafethu, welcome back to Nkuli Soccer. Oscar Mbo bafethu sebhale into ende expose ama-player we-Kaizer Chiefs abatshela ukuthi abalihloniphi i-badge le-Kaizer Chiefs noma abalihloniphi ijezi le-Kaizer Chiefs. For yena uyabona nje ukuthi ayikho indaba yama-player amaningi. So bekuyi-emotional outburst moyibheka overall leya ka-Oscar Mbo. Oscar Mbo uyi-lifelong Kaizer Chiefs fan. Ukhuluma after i-disappointment yakhe. Nasi i-statement sakhe bafethu. Uthi ama-players laphana ku-Kaizer Chiefs awali-respect i-badge le-Kaizer Chiefs. Uthi kumele silikhulume iqiniso. Uthi kunamanye ama-player angadeserve ukudlalela i-Kaizer Chiefs laphana. Uthi nje kuyamdina ukuthi abe nale concern anayo manje because na previous seasons bekunje izinto kusho ukuthi azikashintshi that much. Uthi-ke kusho ukuthi u-coach akusiyi issue at all. Uthi mawubheka i-willingness ayikho i-willingness kuma-player. So la makakhuluma nge-willingness yama-player ukhuluma ngehunger naleyo bravado person ukuthi baphushe. Ukuthe ku-Frost la u-disappointed kakhulu kuye benomsebenzi nje oyi-one nje kuphela ukuthi ajumpe ahede ibhola ngoba ibhola laphana ku-danger zone a-protect i-defense obvious laphana e-Kaizer Chiefs but no uvele waba casual. U-Frost uvele wabuka ibhola bafethu mina ngiyazi lento but asiqhubeke nge-statement saka Oscar Mbo. Uthi-ke a quick run to the center line after-ke igoli. Uthi-ke you are going to uthi where you gonna do something moving forward. So uyasho nje ukuthi uthi yena zonke lezi zinto lezi bekazivalele kuye laphana ngaphakathi uthi already-ke uyayibona i-position laphana ku-Kaizer Chiefs ukuthi ayingathi iyaxega but-ke uthi uMunyane njengoba angekho but still no Frost akafuni ukuperforma njengoba uMunyane angekho kanje inking of the problem le. Uthi uGustin Sirino uthi wena Sirino usikhoste imesh azange ube decisive even i-body language yakho beyingekho right. Uthi kumele wenze kangcono kakhulu or ucele excuse because since i-arrival yakhe uSirino has always been promising but akusilo number 10 lo abamdingayo. Uthi-ke uMduduzi Shabalala uthi please get rid of lama hairstyle wakho ukhumbule ukuthi why bo promoted or waba promoted laphana ku-Kaizer Chiefs. Uthi awusiyi player leli uthi you are not one of the players we had pride in from our development but-ke uthi ama-performances kaMduduzi Shabalala sawadrobhe kakhulu bafethu. Uthi go back to your roots. Uthi ukhumbule ukuthi why ama-supporters akuthanda and then baku-include laphana ku-first team and overall. Uthi namhlanje it was not one of your best days. Uthi-ke we can't have you being like this without no accountability. Kusho ukuthi uyasho nje laphana ukuthi kumele ba-account abantu kusho ukuthi noma i-Kaizer Chiefs ingadlalanga kahle but-ke kumele ba-account basho ukuthi okay usibani kufana kadlalanga kahle. They have to I think these dialogues are needed to call players out. It's not a form of disrespect or in but umuntu mengaperformanga kahle ngeke phela banisa ama-feelings wabantu. What has happened ebholeni manje kuthiwa hey ninga-attack ama-player. I get to, by the way, I get to interview ama-supporters, I get to interview some of the people abane-intel phakathi. I remember going to Orlando Stadium for i-launch enye, so I was criticized by abantu abaku-Orlando Pirates bathi sometimes ngireporta izinto kanje nakanje. I was like I'm gonna report fairly the way ngiyibona ngakhona into bathi unga-criticize ama-player. Ngithi ama-player amadoda bafethu, so if nithi ninga-criticize ama-player mele ngireporte ukuthi nginesa ama-feelings wabo. If uyindoda you can't take it then hamba odlala i-netball-ke la bazokushayela izandla noma ubheda. So mina I will report the way ngifuna ukureporta ngakhona. That is why mhlampe ngingazwani namanye ama-reporters because areporta ngendaba yokufavor. Angireport ngendaba yokufavor, mina ngireporta straight the way ngiyibona ngakhona into. Umuntu ngiyamncoma menza kahle mebheda according to mina ngiyabhala ukuthi okay ubheda la nala nala. So asiqhubeke namagama kalokhu njana ka-Oscar Mbo but ngifuna ukuyichaza kahle ngenye i-angle bafethu ukuthi kahle kahle uchazani overall. I mean ku-Kaizer Chiefs bafethu i-badge mawuthi uyalibheka njengoba bathi aba-respect i-badge. I mean i-badge ye-Kaizer Chiefs liyasinda kakhulu bafethu. It's not just i-logo nje kuphela but i-symbol of i-dominance ku-South African football overall. I mean i-pride yase-Soweto, Gauteng, Johannesburg nase-South Africa as a whole. Buya ama-legend nama-icon wa-South African football laphana ku-Kaizer Chiefs. I mean if you think about Dr. Khumalo, azange simbukele uDr. Khumalo thina because we were young meyidlala laphana. I was very very young. Uitumeleng Khune, but I've seen him since 2007. Uitumeleng Khune, what he did for Kaizer Chiefs. before I think ama-performances wakhe aqale ukufa nini uTumeleng Khune I think around 6 years ago, but before 6-7 years ago, but before lapho uTumeleng Khune was immortal, was iconic. But what it meant for uTumeleng Khune ukudlalela i-Kaizer Chiefs namanye ama-players oSiphiwe Shabalala, even oKatsande bafowethu ukuthi beka-understand ukuthi why laphana egrawundini ku-Kaizer Chiefs, you could see even when they lose but they would fight. Manje ayikho leyo fight ku-Kaizer Chiefs. That spirit is gone, is dead. So kukhona abantu abaninesa ama-feelings wama-players online, uma uthi uyakhuluma kuthiwe hey uyabheda wena, and you like mfethu it's a game of amadoda. If like you can't take ukuthi umuntu uya-criticize ubuye indoda, hamba odlala i-netball. So fast forward kancane le statement lesi, but before ngena ku-statement, i-Kaizer Chiefs sibuyele emuva kancane ama-struggles wabo ukuthi bafeyile. Number one, batshintshe o-coach abaningi. I think for the past 10 years or so babe nama-coach abaningi kakhulu bafowethu, more than o-coach be-Orlando Pirates or abe-Mamelodi Sundowns masibheka overall. But kube no-coach abaningi kakhulu, o-Gavin Hunt, o-Baxter, o-Arthur Zwane, o-Molefe, o-Kevin Johnson, bazama labo nalabo kuyiwa le nale. So but-ke same problems they remain laphana ku-Kaizer Chiefs. But uma umbheka ulokhunjana u-Oscar Mbo, into ayishoyo ukuthi it's not about the coach anymore, it's about ama-player, ukuthi ama-player wona wahlonipha i-badge, because u-coach angacoacha angawenza amaphutha wakhe, but wena as a player, as an individual, uma ungena phakathi kumele uzibonakalise ngempela, uziveze ukuthi uyafuna ukulwela i-team. Some players fight bafowethu and we love that fight. Noma kuthiwa ukuthi awuyi-support i-team but you love the fight of the player, the hunger, the heart. Uyambona ukuthi lo muntu is giving everything. I mean, I'm sure even if you support Kaizer Chiefs or Mamelodi Sundowns noma usupportani, but umbekezele Mbokazi, what he gives to Orlando Pirates, I mean the pride, I mean that guy is willing to die for Orlando Pirates. He's putting everything on the line just for Orlando Pirates. I mean that's the fight that is needed. Asisho ukuthi abantu baboMbokazi bonke, no, but sithi mongena egroundini, give it your all. Your own I mean your own abilities, capabilities, give it your all. You don't have to be uMbokazi, but ilwa sikubone na ukuthi uyalwa. You wanna fight for the team, you wanna go forward, you wanna get the results for the team. Yabo uKaizer Chiefs khona umuntu olwayo, yabo umthetho uyalwa, just ukuthi unama-mistake amaningi-ke wakhe. So lawo ma-mistake lawo gcine a-overshadow ukulwa kwakhe. So uyalwa mfethu umfana waseScott, and like usempini uyambona ukuthi-ke phela is not well developed compared to amanye ama-player because akakhulelanga kuma-development. Uleka nje technical ability uyayileka, but-ke uyazama yena ukulwa game in and game out when it's given a chance, just ukuthi akanaso i-speed, uyaleka kwezinye izinto. So namanye ama-player adlala kwamanye ama-position awalwe. AboModi mabanikwa ama-opportunities ngathi i-Kaizer Chiefs ibenzele i-favour. I mean i-Kaizer Chiefs ayenzeli muntu bafowethu i-favour. I-Kaizer Chiefs ibanike i-biggest platform in the country. If you can make it, if you can be a star ku-Kaizer Chiefs, not even a star, to perform well, I mean uyophila kamnandi for the next 40 years kahle, ube yi-legend, bakuhloniphe abantu, uthole umsebenzi even after ibhola. Bheka uTumeleng Khune ukuthi unemsebenzi engakanani eminingi, uyi-ambassador yaloku, uyi-ambassador yaloku, usebenza e-TV, usebenza kuphi kuphi, uyafly uya kuphi kuphi. Baningi abadlali abakanjalo, but-ke they had to earn it egrawundini kuqala ukuthi bangakhohlwa oTeko Modise. So lama-player lawa adlala manje ayophelelaphi ngempela amaningi wabo, because they but yeah, asiyichazeni-ke le nkulumo before siyivala bafowethu leya Oscar Mbo ukuthi uthi zikhiphani kahle kahle ngalama-player lawo. Sibala ama-player lawa abalile one by one. Nje umenshine uFrosler laphana, ukuthi obviously uFrosler obviously was seen as one of the brightest right backs ku-South African football. Technically sound, uyakwazi ukudeliver ibhola, but ulo manje ucriticize ngokuthi u-too casual. Yes, u-too casual umfethu, like u-too casual. Nginokumbona e-driver forward, yabona ama-driver forward, I can see i-ability yakhe, and is a good, like akatatazeli, uyakwazi ibhola maliza kulitrapha kahle, alibambe, kuliprotecta, alifake ebhokisini, makaya phambili uyakunika leyo nto leyo. But-ke makuza ku-marking, hhayi bafowethu, like izolo ba-expose iside lakhe kuphela. From first half angazi bali-expose kayingakhi, baya kuye baphasa that side. La side leli lakwa-left isikhathi esiningi elaka-Cross bebazama, but babonile ukuthi ngale kunzima, balanda leli laka-Frosler, bathaketha lona. Igoli libuye phi? Esayidini laka-Frosler. bayatshentsha, uMarumo Gallants iyatshentsha ifaka uClifford, uhlala kulela side nje kuphela akayindawo, uhlala kulela side nje kuphela. That's where even azathola negoli, because I mean that's being too casual. I mean mawubheka ama-points awashilo Oscar Mbo laphana. I mean ukuleka kwe-fight ne-desire ku-Kaizer Chiefs is the biggest problem. uDuduzi Shabalala bayamfaka, udrebula almost wonke umuntu and then wenza nje into esingayazi, uphasa yeah, ufuna ukwenza too much, angazi or udlalela amakhamera or udlalelani, ngathi uyaqala ukudlala i-TV. Obviously iqiniso ukuthi bafowethu uThabiso Munyane ustep up lapha noku-right back. Frosler umuntu oslow in terms of i-pace compared to Thabiso Munyane, but-ke naye kumele aphushe bafowethu, mekanikwe i-chance. I mean unikwe i-chance ukuthi adlale, usho ukuthi uThabiso Munyane yakhe phela la right back, or-ke azogcina sokudlalisa uSolomons. Maybe uSolomons bekazokwenza kangcono kabi kunoFrosler. Uhluleka ukumaka umuntu, uhluleka ukuhead ibhola, uyalibheka azange bekangamuvi nokumuva uFrosler, bashaya i-long ball walibheka wamuva mase selifike angiyazi into enje. But yeah, Gaston Sirino-ke yena siyazi ukuthi i-big name mefika laphana, but uGaston Sirino kumele a-add i-creative spark enkulu kuKaizer Chiefs. Siyamazi ukuthi mina uGaston Sirino izolo ngiwabonile ama-moments wakhe good, ngiwabonile, angifuni ukuqamba amanga, ama-flashes of moments of brilliance, but-ke inconsistency for me yiyo into enkulu laphana kulo Gaston Sirino, and sometimes i-body language yakhe. And by the way akusinto yamanje, uGaston Sirino ku-Kaizer Chiefs vele beka-accuse isikhathi esiningi ukuthi uyafuna na ukudlalela i-badge le-Kaizer Chiefs or ukuyi-represent, unokuthola ama-red card unnecessary, unokulwa unnecessary. Siyazi ukuthi unenhliziyo encane but kumele acabangele i-team as a whole, ukubenefit i-team. Ngathi nje akanandaba at the end of the day, siyamazi lo muntu super talented, angadeliver, but-ke simprotect kancane uGaston Sirino bafethu. Uzodeliver kanjani yedwa amanye ama-player afe wonke kanje? Phela mekathi uyabheka i-poor quality overall egrawundini, yena uzokwenzani? Ngeke abe uNkulunkulu asave i-Kaizer Chiefs yonke. So yeah, Duduzi Shabalala njengoba bengishilo, Golden Boy yaseNachurian wapromothiwa ku-development side. Ama-fans bawabhelieve ukuthi ngempela ngaba yi-the next face of amakhosi, but akekho ready, akekho ready ngempela. I mean i-attitude yakhe is questioned even last season. Akafune ukutshelwa kwamanye ama-moments, sambona last season kakhulu echithela ama-senior players izandla if bamtshela something. Uyabona ukuthi mentally ama-player kumele akhule kakhulu lawa, because if abakhulu kusho ukuthi ngeke baye ndawo ngempela. So i-badge le-Kaizer Chiefs kumele balihloniphe ngempela, because asikhulumi nge-badge nje kuphela la bafowethu, sikhuluma nge-pride of i-South African football. I mean where Kaizer Chiefs started to where it is now, what they've built into one of the biggest brands in the country. So ama-players mefika laphana ku-Kaizer Chiefs kumele understand ukuthi adlalelani, and then why laphana ku-Kaizer Chiefs kumele enzeni ngempela. I mean you have to fight laphana ku-Kaizer Chiefs, run for every ball even when you're tired, but keep fighting, put your body on the line for ama-clearance, show i-passion nehanga bafowethu, even if like izinto zihamba wrong, but-ke the hunger, the desire to win, to succeed laphana ku-Kaizer Chiefs, you have to show it. Ukudlalela, I mean like sacrifice ama-supporters bafowethu abuya kude. There's something yashiwo sibelebele Orlando Pirates awini man of the match, athi ama-supporter agibela ama-taxi abuya kude azobadlalela. So ama-supporters ane-right ukuthi aba-criticize, ngoba ama-supporters afuna ama-results nje kuphela. They have 100% right. Ama-fans we-Kaizer Chiefs ane 100% right criticize noma kuthiwa ba-criticize brutal kanjani, criticize wonke ama-players angaperform laphana ku-Kaizer Chiefs, aholo 100,000 but awaperform. Ama-fans awanazo iy'moto, amanye aqashe iy'moto ayobukela i-Kaizer Chiefs ebusuku, amake sure ukuthi they fill in ama-stadiums, but only to be disappointed. Ama-fans lose the game if you wanna lose the game, but the hunger, the ilwa mfethu, that's all ama-fans awanidayo. Ba-sacrifice, abanamali ama-fans a-sacrifice iy'mali zayo ukuthi iy'mali zabo ukuthi baye e-stadium, but only to get what they are getting laphana e-stadium. That's not good. Obviously coaching issue-ke siyazi ukuthi kwenzakalani ngo-coach nabi bafowethu, ngeke sidive deep lapho. Obviously ama-tactics bafowethu e-matchini abalulekile, ama-game plans, but ungaba nama-best tactics in the world, but if ama-player on the ground they're not giving 100%, then ngeke kube inkinga ye-coach overall, because as ama-player kumele nikwazi ukulwa. I think i-deeper problem ku-Kaizer Chiefs would be i-recruitment ne-mentality yabo. But this time around bazamile ngempela ukusayina ama-player a-good, a-well equipped ukuthi anga-represent i-Kaizer Chiefs futhi angalwela i-Kaizer Chiefs. But-ke not all of them bane-mentality yokuhandle i-pressure laphana e-Kaizer Chiefs. Khona into ekhuluma u-coach we-Kaizer Chiefs last week bafowethu, uthe u-assistant coach e-Kaizer Chiefs uCedric uthe ama-player bayawa-recruiter ku-Kaizer Chiefs bawasayina aphefoma kahle kuma-team lawa asuke ewadlalela, uma bafika ku-Kaizer Chiefs they tend to relax. That's the statement, and that's a big statement. And that's what we are seeing, because now babona ngathi sebafikile sokuyibo yibo, baku-environment e-right, e-perfect, everything on offer, world class facilities, everything, but-ke bona abaphefome, they get too comfortable ethimini, they don't push hard, bavele bayazirelaxela. I-leadership-ke lapha no-Kaizer Chiefs abana-leader abalithembayo. INacho Miguel ngeke umthembe as a leader ngoba naye unamaphutha amaningi, so uzokulida kanjani umuntu onamaphutha? Enye i-captain yabo kuZitho Winika, in and out of i-starting 11. What kind of a leader is he gonna be if naye akasi one of the best players ethimini? So yizo izinto-ke ekumele sizibheke. I mean, ama-solutions-ke now, I mean, going forward as ama-player. Ama-player-ke wona kumele ahlale phansi akwazi ukukhuluma and then abe honest bafethu, banganesi ama-feelings ukuthi wena ubheda lana lana la, you're not giving whatever. They have to review each other and then batshelane, not just ukuthi u-coach yena abatshele abo-coach laphana, bona batshelane as ama-players ukuthi hayi mfana, i-performance yakho leka 1 2 3, leka 1 2 3, and then obviously-ke badinga ama-strong leaders inside the field of play. Uma uthi uyabheka u-Kaizer Chiefs, i-strong leader ubani? Esithenjwa ama-player. Nawe noma uyi-fan uhleli kuma-grandstand osho ukuthi hayi, this one is a great leader for i-Kaizer Chiefs. UQuinica siyezwa ngaye kuthiwa uyi-great leader for i-Kaizer Chiefs, but we don't see that inside the field of play because ama-performances wakhe aya-fluctuate. Akanaso leso speed, like yeah, sesingangeni kuQuinica kakhulu, but-ke unawo lawo ma-performances lawo, but-ke u-on and off ku-starting lineup. uMcCarthy is way more preferred compared to uQuinica. But-ke bathi bamprotectile uMcCarthy izolo, that is why bangamdlalisanga, but-ke backfired because defense yabo collapsed. Yeah, I mean, umuntu kumele akwazi ukuthatha ama-consequences wakhe. If you don't perform, you don't play, ayikho futhi favorism yokuthi udlale. Khona i-player uLilipo bamdlalisa almost every game, umuntu okumele ahlale ebhentshini because udlalela yena kuphela, so akadlaleli i-team as a whole, ubheka yena kuphela as uLilipo. Wathola i-chance ufuna ukushaya nje, ayikho into ayicabangayo ukuthi adlale as a-team player, and ufuna ukushaya ukuthi isikhathi esiningi hlezi ngiyi-mention-a lento le, kumele abe ngcono kuleyo department leyo. Yeah, then-ke possibly he can build from lapho. Ukwazi ibhola kuphela akukho enough bafethu, you have to perform, but the most important thing would be to perform as a team and to remember that you have ama-teammates akuvulele, akunika ama-option, but wena ufuna ukwenza the way ufuna ukwenza ngakhona. So that's the biggest problem for i-Kaizer Chiefs, but they can fix it, it's still early, they have to account. But-ke sizibambelana bafethu. Danko, ngicela ngikhohle uku-like and subscribe.